Yesterday, we get the earnings report for Schlumberger. It does beat actually on both earnings and revenue, even with a slight beat on the revenue. The stock goes up pre-market, but then it go down and erases all profits. Here is the high, was on 35. Now again on the low at 33. Why the stocks, here is a question, why the stocks go down after beating the earnings? We can see another article here, fall lower after the beat. This is due to the revenue fall year to year, and also the profit fall year to year. We can see this directly from the income statement. If we go to the quarterly income statement, Q2 25, compare it with the Q2 24, 9 billion. Here is an 8 billion on the top line, and the bottom line we have 1.2 with 1.4. So the company is declining year over year, and we can see this on the chart from September 2023, and the stock start declining. But here we see a peak in the total revenue from the income statement, and also maybe a slight peak on the net income. This is due to retraction in the company operations in Gulf, I guess. We have here another article. Earnings beat, maintain. International revenue, yes, exactly. I think this one. The international revenue in Latin America, revenue decline. This is due to decline in Latin America, Mexico, 3% in Europe and Africa, and Middle East, 9%. But why is this happening? Why the revenue fall in international revenue? We still need to find out why the revenue still is declining in the international revenue. We'll need to figure this out, and we see a good rising in the free cash flow, also in the cash positions. If we go to the balance sheet, we see that total cash account is rising, and the free cash flow due to the rising in the free cash flow. The cash from operating activities is rising. So it seems the company is financially healthy, but declining in revenue due to international sales decline. So we need to figure this out before the next earnings on the next quarter on October, because Schlumberger is at this low on this support line. So this might be a good opportunity to buy. Let's see its valuation. Now we have price to earning ratio is lowest since many years at 12, 11.4, and the book value, price to book value, is also around 2, which is good. The price related to the free cash flow is dropping. So all metrics here are good in terms of valuation. The only risk I see now is the declining in revenue, and this can be solved in a way or another, but we need to figure out why the revenue is falling, especially the international revenue. Otherwise, let's see dividends. The yield is rising because both the stock price is dropping and the dollar amount dividend is rising. The company rises its dollar amount. 28 cent. 28 cent. Let's go. Yes, this is the second payment. And 27, 24. The company is continuously rising its dividend. It was very good in 22 and before Corona outbreak. After Corona, the dividends dropped much, and now the company is rising the dividends again. This is a good sign. What else we have? Market cap, shares. Okay, book value per share, market cap, total common share. This is a good. Also, it seems the company is buyback its shares. Total common shares out in the market is reducing. That means the company is buying back its share from the market. This is good. That helped rising the share price again. So this is a good news. The margins, if the company is healthy, gross margin is okay. It's raised and stable. Operating margin is okay. No declining. Net margin is also okay. So the company margins is good. No declining in the margins. Even there is a declining in the revenue. What else we have? I think that's all for now. Okay, return on asset stable, current ratio, quality ratio is stable. The quality ratio is the percentage between gross profit and the revenue, which is still stable. Okay, the company is reducing the expense on research and development. It was paying more in the past, but not much. It was 2.4, 2.5, down now 2.1 from the revenue, which is still good expense on the research and development. So we will figure out if I will go to buy this stock from these levels. We'll keep you posted. Thank you.